The all-new 2026 RAV4 has a cool feature called Advanced Park. And just like it sounds, it's a look-ma, no-hands parking system. I'm going to show the in-cab view and how to engage in the system and it working. This feature is standard on the Limited and available on XSC models. Seems to work good during the training. Now, my comments are open, so if you have a RAV4 with it and it works great, or it has quirks, drop it in the comments for others debating. But based off my limited use, it might be worth the extra money for someone who panics about parking. No hands.
After, yeah, because it'll start beeping. So we're in the Limited, you guys. So it comes standard. Okay, that's the button for it. HSE driver assist package. You may get it too.
Gotcha.
So reverse or drive, doesn't matter. You hit that button. I don't really want to parallel, but we will. Ready?
Gotcha. So it's telling you where it's going to park it at.
Yeah. So it's because he sees this car there, so he thinks he wants a parallel. But if I would have pulled up further, it would grab 3 spots because there's no one here, right? And it compensates if there's cars there. It's not going to clip the car. And I'm not doing anything with my feet, you guys.
So it'll pull in forward, backwards, or parallel?
Yep.
Now, can you make it do those 3, or is it just kind of automatically grabbing what it wants? Or
I've only found that it just does what it wants. Like, I was doing this with everybody, and it was just backing in, right? Mm-hmm. Now, I got close enough to this car, it was wanted to parallel.
Will it recognize cones?
Yeah.
Haven't tried it.
Haven't tried it. It recognizes people. I know that, and cars, but then it 360s and unlocks your doors and everything to let you know you're clear.
So all you had to do is hit the park button and you're on the way in.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
I'm assuming you put it back in park, or does it automatically put it back?
No, it puts it back in park.
And like the whole car is back in park?
Yeah, okay, it puts the whole car back in park. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to the channel. I have over a decade of experience in the Toyota world, and when questions get technical, I'm typically the go-to person. If I don't know the answer, I'll do my best to figure it out. Automotive industry changes quickly. This channel is for inspiring salespeople, people debating buying, and enthusiasts all alike. This will include walkarounds, how-tos, configurations, specs, along with some common asked questions. So if you have any, drop them in the comments and it could be the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And until the next one, keep the wheels moving and hope you have a good one.